this episode, join the Neverland Travelers as they drive a car, sniff some bread, and ride in an elevator.
I know.
You gotta look up here. I mean down here, not up there. Because up there it doesn't look like you're looking at the camera. That's not good.
Yes. However, hi everyone.
Hi people.
Hi those people.
We're going to see Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast.
Woo!
I know, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
I know that's like your favorite
It is.
classic Disney
It's my favorite
movie.
cartoon.
It's,
for sure.
It's up there for me.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, we're gonna stop and get some food first. Don't know where we're gonna go yet.
I haven't decided.
We're just gonna drive and then park
When,
and then walk in the blizzard
Yeah.
and find some food.
in case
before
you
we go to
haven't
the movie.
seen, that's what we're dealing with.
Oh, yeah.
Delightful.
It's terrible. It's not fun, but that's okay. Because we're going to see Beauty and the Beast.
Yay!
And it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, we're here. Time to park. And figure out where to go for food. Parked.
Yay.
Time to go find food.
What are we eating?
I have no idea.
What are you wanting?
I have no idea.
Okay, we gotta figure that out.
Time to walk around and find food. Yay!
We're gonna go there, but it's snowing. So we're not gonna do the camera out here. We are?
So we just realized that we don't know where Seven Greens is.
No. He's like, oh yeah, let's go to Seven Greens. I'm like, okay. It's right down here. Okay, sure. We're walking and I'm like, so where is it? He's like, I don't know.
It's somewhere around here.
You said it was next to Commonwealth, right?
Oh yeah. Oh,
You see it?
I see
The
it.
little sign?
I found it. It's right there.
Let's go, cause it's cold.
Time to jaywalk. Ah, nobody coming. So apparently, these are the 7 greens that make up 7 greens. That's why it's named this. Baby spinach. Well, that one's big. Napa cabbage. Arugula. Mixed greens. I don't know about that one. Romaine. And iceberg. The classic. And then don't forget about that kale. Because everybody hates kale. Here's the menu. Looks pretty good.
What do you normally get?
I think I'm gonna get that one.
What? Where?
That Lost Bear, man, it's so good. Here's my salad. It's a Lost Bear, like you saw in the previous shot. Except mine has sriracha and cayenne pepper on it to make it super spicy, which I like. There's Marissa's salad. She's a copycat and got the same thing.
No, it's not the same. It's not the same.
It is the same,
It's not the same. I didn't get sriracha.
but she did not choose to amp up the heat, and she
No, I
got
could've.
a piece of bread with it.
I don't know what kind of bread is this.
Multigrain? Yeah, multigrain. I've had it before. It's pretty good. And then we got a mash. So Marissa just bit off a piece of the plastic fork while eating her salad.
How did that happen?
Apparently she was very hungry and
I don't see it.
was very eager to eat this delicious salad.
It is very good.
And I think she swallowed it. Hopefully you don't die. how she shook our carbonated drink and it is now flat drink
It's not flat.
that nobody would enjoy.
I didn't know it was carbonated. It's a
So-
fruit drink.
Yes, a carbonated fruit drink.
I didn't know that. I've never had one.
So yeah, it's gonna be gross and explode on everybody and not gonna taste as good.
See, it didn't do anything. It's fine.
But whatever, it's
Already opened it?
it's Beauty and the Beast day, so I guess I can deal with it. Okay, now Marissa decided to play Battle Forks in my salad and totally bumped a piece of my salad into the water cup, which she took out very quickly because she didn't want you to see because she was embarrassed. So you can still see the oily residue on the surface of the water. So she ruined both of our drinks now. So that's what's happening.
We still have all of this salad left. This is so much food. Did you like it?
It's good, but I'm very full.
I'm very full.
Can't eat any more.
Yeah. I would definitely come here again.
I like
It
it.
was very good. By the way, look at that. That magnificent tractor and fork combination. I love it.
It's beginning to look a lot like... Oh, wait, that's not right. We're on our way to the movie theater.
Yeah.
And it's very snowy and cold.
Yeah.
But good news is it's almost Beauty and the Beast time.
Snow in the face.
Jaywalking again! Ah! We made it. And now let's go inside. To the weirdest movie theater of all time. This is it. I guess we watch the movies on this screen? No, that's not right. Oh, it's upstairs? Amazing. Okay, going to see the movie now. See you on the other side. Bye! Oh, the lighting on your face looks really weird. What's going on with this monkey? Okay, just got out of the movie. It was amazing.
We liked it.
We did. It was really, really good. Yeah, it was great. I'm ready. I'll go see it again.
Yeah,
Right
like
now.
right now.
Ready to go. So coming out of the movie, when we were done, we actually saw some of our friends, Adam, Lauren, and Sush. Some other fellow Disney friends,
fans.
Disney fans, Disney addicts, going into the next showing of Beauty and the Beast. So, hey guys, hope you like it.
Hi. Yeah. By the time you guys see this, hopefully we'll have talked. We should have talked by then. But yeah, I think they're gonna like it. They were going in as we were coming out, so of course they wanted to know like all these details, and we're like, nope, nope, just go in. You're gonna love it. Go in.
No spoilers.
Oh, come on, man! I can't hold it steady.
Driving my go-kart, swerving on the
Stop,
road,
no.
getting pulled over.
Stop. No, but we're not getting pulled over.
But we could maybe.
But we're not going to.
Okay, when we get home, we'll give you a thorough review.
A better review.
Of what we thought of the movie.
We just passed the LA Fitness. It's 10:15 and there are still people there.
I pick things up and I put them down.
What? Focus over there. Focus, focus, focus. It's not gonna work. There's too much going on behind you. Right there? Maybe? Come on. No, it's not gonna work.
Oh,
There you are, there you are.
wiggle my face.
We're home.
Yes.
Hey,
What's up?
try again.
I'm sorry.
You're just like, wait, pulling
Oh.
my hair. No.
That was a great movie.
Yeah.
Really liked it. It, if you like the cartoon,
you really like this one.
Yeah, if you like the cartoon in any way, you're gonna love this one. I think that they did a really good job of
staying true to that story.
Exactly. Yeah, staying true to that story, but adding a little bit of like more of a complex storyline to it, so it's a little more of like a human, real feeling story rather than just like a cartoon story. But I think they did a really good job, and I was really actually pretty impressed at some of the singing.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't expecting.
I didn't have very high hopes for some of them.
I wasn't expecting a lot of good, like really good singing. So I thought it was pretty good.
I was happy with that.
I thought it was pretty good. Particularly, I thought that Gaston's singing was good.
Yes. Yep.
So Luke Evans, nice work.
Yep. Way to go.
And I thought that Mrs. Potts.
Yes. Emma Thompson
was surprisingly good.
Awesome.
And we love Emma Thompson. So,
yeah, I love her anyway.
I thought that she did a great job. The whole time I was like, who is that? That's good. That's good. And I couldn't remember who it was. And at the end I was like, oh, it's Emma Thompson. I forgot.
Finally the credits started
scrolling. Yeah. It was pretty great. It was probably my favorite Disney remake so far. I know they're on this like train of all these remakes and it's crazy, but that was my favorite one so far, with Jungle Book close second. And then Cinderella right behind that. How about you?
Yeah, well, I mean, the cartoon's my favorite. So I went in, I was worried that I liked it too much because like I already had a bias towards it. So, but I did, I loved it. It's my top. I can't help it. It was good. Crazy movie.
Go see it. You'll probably like it.
Yeah.
It's pretty great.
Be ready to cry twice.
Yes. And this one, she cried twice.
Happy cries.
Cried twice during the movie.
It was so cute.
Like, it was a good movie, but
it was
like,
so good.
I don't know. Cried twice. That's great.
I liked it.
I'll never let you live that one.
That's okay.
No, it's fine. It's a good movie. All right, guys. It's getting late, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this thing up and end the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and always remember, second star to the right.
And straight on till morning.
Until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.